The Kalamera 15-inch wine cooler, 30-bottle built-in or freestanding with stainless steel and double-layered tempered glass door and temperature memory function. The Kalamera 15-inch wine cooler, 30-bottle built-in or freestanding with stainless steel and double-layered tempered glass door and temperature memory function is a terrific beverage cooler that can accommodate up to 30 wine bottles of various sizes, along with other drinks as well. The cooler also features a temperature memory function that automatically returns the cooler to the temperature you set after a power failure, which can safeguard all your beverages from the increasing temperatures. In that way, there's no need for you to remember to manually reset the temperature. Furthermore, this Kalamera 15-inch wine cooler includes an LED control display that allows you to easily set the temperature from 40 degrees to 66 degrees Fahrenheit, providing an ideal chilling temperature all the time. In addition, the cooler boasts a stainless steel frame and 2 tempered glass layers that stabilize temperature levels inside, effectively preventing the glass from fogging up. Now for a few pros. It doesn't occupy too much space. The LED control display is easy to use, and the multi-layered tempered glass is very impressive. Now for a con. The cooler's fan tends to stop working altogether after some time,